Hi there, welcome to the GridMate learning channel. Today we will introduce you to single cell editing. This is a fast and simple way to update your data one cell at a time, directly from your grid. With this feature, you can make quick changes to individual fields without opening the whole record or affecting other cells in the same row. Let's start by enabling this feature. Click on Edit Page to open the App Builder. Select your components. On the right hand, scroll down to find Enable Cell Editing. Check the box. Then click Save. Head back to your page to see it in action. Now on your page, you can see that single cell editing is active. Click directly on a cell, and only that cell becomes editable. Make your change, and move on to the next cell. You can edit as many individual cells as you like before saving. When you're done, simply click Save to apply your updates. All your edits are instantly saved. Thank you for watching.